Hello, future financial rock stars. Welcome back to Tarot with Donna. Okay, today we are getting real. You know those moments when you are sitting with your study books, but your mind is somewhere else, thinking about that crush or whatever drama is going on in your personal life. Well, I'm here to tell you your crush is cute, but passing your CMA, CFA, USCPA, or enroll agent exams, that's what going to give you the future you really want. Listen, I know the struggle. The heart flutters, the what ifs, the late nights scrolling through the social media. It's easy to get sidetracked. But today, the cards are here to drop some wisdom on why your exam should be the main event right now. So grab your tea, get comfy, and let's dive into this magical journey of clarity and focus. So, first, we have the full card. So, it's a time for a new adventure. We are kicking things off with the full card. A card that screams new beginnings and fresh adventures. But here's the thing, while life is an exciting journey, there's something that comes with it. Responsibility? Yes. You're starting something big and but don't let yourself wander too far off the path because of distractions. Your crush? Fun, but not the mission here. The real excitement lies in what's ahead. Your future as a CMA, CFA, USCPA, or enroll agent. These credentials will open doors to a career that gives you the freedom, respect, opportunities you have been dreaming about. The Fool is calling you to take that first step. But focus. Don't get caught up in the drama of the moment. Your success is waiting, but only if you keep your eyes on the road. Okay, students? Next, we have got the chariot. Drive, baby, drive. Yes, this is the card of unstoppable drive. Look at this card. See how the chariot is moving forward with determination and confidence. This is the energy you need to channel right now. You have got the power to move forward, but only if you stay laser focused. If you have been letting your crush or other distractions get in the way, it's time to take charge, okay? Be the boss of your own life. The chariot is telling you drive with purpose, take control, and stay focused on your goals. Those study sessions, turn them into the power. The only thing that should distract you now is the thrill of crossing those exams off your list. Okay? Next, we have the Hermit card, and this one is telling you to take a deep breath and focus on yourself. You might be thinking, I need a social life, or I can't stop thinking about that crush. But the Hermit is here to remind you now is the time to go inward, reflect, and get real with yourself. What do you really want? There's a whole world of potential waiting for you once you pass your exams. And to get there, you need to silence the noise, and that includes those unnecessary distractions. The Hermit encourages you to focus on you right now. Tap into your inner wisdom and realize that your career goals are what will bring you peace and fulfillment in the long run. Find your calm, recharge, and let your passion for your exams guide you. Hello, big opportunities because we have the Ace of Pentacles. I can't even begin to tell you how much good this card brings. Think about opportunities, new beginnings, and material success. This is your career jackpot. This is the universe handing you a shiny golden opportunity. The energy around you is full of prosperity and growth. Just imagine passing your CMA, CFA, USCP, or enroll agent exams will open the doors to amazing career opportunities. And guess what? The money is going to flow into. Yes, you heard me right. Higher pay, promotions, and career stability. It's all waiting for you. But here's the catch, it's not going to happen if you keep getting sidetracked by short term distractions. Focus on your studies, put in the work, and soon you will be reaping the rewards. Every hour you invest in studying is laying the foundation for a prosperous future. Okay? Shine bright, your future is calling, says the star card. Yes, we have finally the star card. Now, this card makes everything worth it, okay? The star is all about hope, healing, and most importantly, long term success, wish fulfillment. When you pass your exams, you will be shining so brightly, my dear, that your future will be undeniable. You will feel so proud. Your parents will feel so proud knowing that you fought through the stress, the distractions, and the self doubt to make it to the other side. This card is telling you, my dear students, keep going. Your hard work is going to pay off. Don't let the uncertainty or the social drama pull you off course. The universe is aligning things perfectly for you, and success is just on the way. You are destined for greatness. So trust the process and don't let anything hold you back. So get focused and start winning, my dear students. Listen, your crush will still be there when you are an internationally recognized CMA, CFA, US CPA, or an enrolled agent. Your future is about so much more than fleeting moments. The cards are clear. Focus on your exams and dive into that sturdy grin and make your career's dream a reality. You have got the drive, the clarity, the support of the universe. Now, all you need to do is stay on the track. Every step you take towards your exams bring you closer to a life filled with success, respect and financial freedom. If this reading resonated with you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and leave a comment below. I know it's tough right now, but trust me, you have got what it takes. Let's keep pushing because your dream future is just round the corner.